Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring account basics are correct, then act immediately. Log into Steam on desktop, confirm your email and phone are linked, and open the Steam client. Once open, clear the web cache folder or your browser cookies, then restart Steam to remove stale data. If the Captcha persists, switch networks now, wired or a mobile hotspot, or enable a reputable VPN briefly. These steps remove common session and IP issues, so the Captcha can refresh cleanly. Once done with basic resets, you diagnose deeper causes by isolating variables. Disable browser extensions and privacy tools that block scripts, because Captchas rely on them to load and validate, then try again. Next, review SteamGuard and any pending device approvals, since verification blocks can trigger repeated Captchas. Make sure to test on a different browser or another device to determine if the issue is local to your client or tied to your network or IP reputation before proceeding to remedial fixes. You finish by resolving and verifying access. Complete the Captcha deliberately. If images fail to load, refresh the challenge or reload the page. If solving doesn't work, change your IP via router reboot or VPN, clear DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons, and consider reinstalling the Steam client to reset web components. Finally, if none of this helps, gather screenshots, times, and your recent actions. Then contact Steam support. Provide concise evidence so they can remove automated blocks or flag IP reputation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.